sad. Don't be sad.
Yeah, that car's broken.
Broken? Why do you think it's broken? Oh, they're just eating food.
That car's just backing up.
Look at this tiny car.
Oh,
See this tiny car here?
it fell in the ditch.
Oh, yeah. See that tiny car?
Look at that tiny car.
I know.
Can't even fit a back seat, Daddy.
Can't or you can?
That looks done. I like the yellow car.
You like the yellow car more?
Yeah, I like dirty color.
Yeah. Alright. Messing it up.
Looks like we've got 2 people. In second place, George and Jane Welter with their 1970 Chevy Nova.
Oh, look at all this car to that. Hey, look, this car's got that girl on there to that.
What?
Harley Quinn.
And that was Ron and Sharon with their 1978
See Harley Quinn?
Trans Am.
Wanna take a picture next
Barbie
to?
that I made all by myself.
Yeah, you wanna take a picture next to Harley Quinn?
No.
You send it to me. Oh,
All right, this class is Camaro. In second place,
why don't you want to?
Picture of
Yeah, do you want to? Look at these doors, they go up. Look, Tuja, it's got a TV in the back too. See it, Tuja? This? This is a car. What are you talking about?
way cool, way cool. Like,
Hey, don't throw stuff out.
we got a first place in truck class, and it's Chris Mirren.
Where?